Thanks for tuning in back into Snake River Rifle Works. Today we're lifting the skirt up on a Eaton Compressor 10 horsepower VSD 120 gallon and it's runs single phase, so run in your home base garage, and it's definitely large for that home base garage, but if you're going to buy once, cry once, this could be the route for you. So let's tune in and take a look. So I started removing some of these panels, and they're pretty easy to remove. All it does is take a nice beer opener with two slots there, and then you could twist them and remove them. This is kind of what it looks like. Just has a nice little slot, so you'll stick those in there and twist, and you'll be able to remove that way. And then in addition, they have these nice foam sound deadening panels. They're definitely heavy duty. There's no question about that. Definitely nice thick metal. The electrical control panel has some Schneider Electric breakers and some Andrew Bradley. Looks like some relays there. So terminal blocks, standard stuff. We'll jump in. It has a WIG 10 horsepower inverter rated 1680 approximately RPM motor. Oh, I was going to say a man filter. This is your rotary screw oil filter there. And then this is your logic controller. So you can jump into your PLC and do some cool stuff with that. So swinging back around, that's the rotary. This is your 120 gallon tank. Come right down into here. There's the 120 indicated it's 120 gallon. It came with some spare parts. It was a nice box in here. And to remove that, you got to remove this back panel after you use that arm to get it out. So that was pretty nice. Has a rotary or a swivel connection there, so that makes it nice. Just a nice little note there. This is the back end of this dryer. I guess we'll go ahead and install one panel just to show you how easy it is with these panels. Hopefully I'll make it look easy. Sorry for the camera whiplash, but one of these days I'll upgrade and have someone record me, but until then, there we go. There's that guy. Now I'll see if I'll grab my wonderful key here. Give it a... Can you see that line twist? Say, just twist. So we'll just go ahead and raise that guy up. Let's see if I can get that line up first.